Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out these Goeasy rubber bungee cords. See if I can open this up here. So this is a 10 pack featuring 231 inches, 421, 215, and 210 inch bungees here. As always, with these and any other device that stretches or can, so you got to be really careful because these can snap back. Make sure you wear eye protection. But nice little thing for if you got tarps or things like that. You hook them on there, hold down your load if you're in a pickup or something like that. So these come in a nice variety of sizes there. That's super nice. Seem very quite solid. We got the thick 100% ETPM rubber match. It says max stretch on these. It tells you how much you can stretch them. So you don't want to exceed the recommended limit on these, but definitely nice if you're using them, wrapping up your tools, tie down your tarp, keeping stuff in your pickup, things like that. Quite handy. We can actually go and demonstrate these for you and just do a final review. Thanks for watching. All right, so I have this ladder in my garage and you have to like prop it up kind of at an angle so it doesn't fall over or whatever. So like these bungee cords, I can snug this right up against the wall, right up against here, and then it'd obviously be falling. So just attach my bungee cord and just hook it right there, and that's going to keep that from falling over. You can strap it around there, or the other ladder, whatever. Just one of the many usages you can use with this for. And over here in my garage, I got all these tools, all kind of all over the place here. And if I want to just keep these all organized, instead of, if I try to put them together without a bungee to kind of hold them, they might like fall over or something. You don't want your tools falling over on people. You got rakes and things like that. So instead of them just kind of being there and if someone steps on it, they fall over or junk like that. So we could just take it right here, get our longer bungee and just attach that there. Do a one wrap around the handles here and just hook right onto the bungee itself. And it's going to secure your stuff from falling over, maybe hurting somebody. So just a ton of different uses that you can use these for. They're always handy to have them around. Like I said, if you're strapping down your truckload with a tarp or whatever like that. So great little product here. As always, guys, just be careful. If something's stretchy, they can come off rather quickly. So always wear eye protection and stuff like that. Have a great day, and I'll catch you all next time.